Tired of scrubbing your Dutch oven after every meal? Imagine cooking your favorite dishes without the usual mess, then tossing the liner and moving on. That's exactly what you get with the Stock Your Home Premium Aluminum Dutch Oven Liners. Designed to fit standard 10 Dutch ovens perfectly, these liners make cooking and cleanup a breeze, whether you're camping or cooking at home. I've used these liners myself, and the difference is clear. No more stuck on food or hours spent scrubbing. The liners are made from high-quality aluminum foil that's strong enough to hold up during prep and cooking without tearing or breaking. They fit snugly inside the pot, protecting your Dutch oven from stains and burnt-on bits. Plus, with 12 liners in each value pack, you're set for multiple meals without worrying about washing up. What really stands out is the value. These liners are comparable in quality to pricier brands like Camp Chef and Camp Liner, but at a fraction of the cost. They even adapt well to deeper Dutch ovens with a bit of gentle shaping, thanks to their sturdy yet flexible design. If you're looking for a way to save time and keep your cookware in top shape, these disposable liners are worth a look. If you're ready to simplify your cooking routine and protect your Dutch oven investment, these aluminum liners are a smart choice. They fit standard 10 Dutch ovens with 3 depth and perfectly cover the top and bottom, making cleanup effortless. Try them when you're ready to enjoy stress-free meals and quick cleanup.